diverse communities to its cinema, art, fashion, architecture, and everyday moments. The city itself is a master of storytelling. The energy and diversity make Mumbai a natural home to the House of Photography. The first House of Photography was opened in London in 2019 with a vision to create a space that goes beyond a traditional store. A space that brings people closer to the imaging world, creating a community who brings new perspective in storytelling. A new chapter to a city that has been telling stories through images for generations. This space is a destination of experiences where an idea becomes an image and an image can become a story that connects people. From all generations, favorite instance to exceptionally versatile GFX and X series, there is something for every kind of creator and every creative journey. We are also bringing our printing solutions along the new projector series, extending the experience of imaging beyond capturing home. From discovering our imaging portfolio to workshops, exhibitions, and learning, visitors can experience the complete journey of photography under one roof.
You have printers here, you have a lot of machines here where you can have the complete solution under one roof. And on top of that, on this floor, we will be having lots and lots of events throughout the year. So I would say, in a small way, I would say it's a 365 days open house where you can get educated, you can learn photography, you can get inspired, you can have different inspiration from the images done by a lot of ambassadors and a lot of users around here. So I would like to thank all of you to join us here in our celebration, and I hope you all take away some inspiration from Fujifilm. Thank you very much.
It brings together the complete imaging experience. From the moment an image is captured to all the way it is printed, we have solutions for the entire journey. I hope that each of you will explore the space, experience it, and most importantly, live with a new inspiration to create. Thank you everyone, and once again, welcome to Fujifilm House of Photography. Thank you.
How excited as a brand you are, right? So, first of all, this project we have been, it's 11th House of Photography in the world, first ever in Mumbai. So, we are, especially because it's in Mumbai, because this location, Andheri West, it's a hub of cinema industry, it's a hub of a lot of production houses, and also it's one of the destinations, which is upcoming destination, and we chose this location because we want to cater to the B2B customers also, or premium customers also, and the normal Gen Zs and millennials also with our category. So that's why we chose this location, and we are super excited. Definitely we are super excited, and we believe that this store will not only give us a good set of customers, but also we are giving back to the society. Our group purpose is giving more smiles to the world. So creating this store, the whole purpose is to giving back to the society, photography society, and the people who are enthusiastic about photography by any way bring smiles to them. So I think we are solving our purpose also, and we are super excited about this.
Products for click to print, like click का मतलब है आप कैप्चर करते हो इमेज, राइट? तो आपके पास इंस्टेंट कैमरा है, इंस्टेंट आ रहा है, यू हैव मिररलेस कैमरा है जिसमें आप कैप्चर करते हो, राइट? आपके पास कैमरा के अंदर भी प्रीमियम रेंज भी है जो कमर्शियल फोटोग्राफर, सिनेमाटोग्राफर है। अब उसके अलावा भी क्लिक के अंदर हमारे पास बाइनोकुलर है, हमारे पास प्रोजेक्टर है, राइट? हमारे पास सिनेमा के लेंसेज है, तो हमारे पास मशीन्स बहुत सारी हैं क्लिक करने के लिए, और हमारे पास प्रिंटिंग की भी मशीन है। ओके, इमेजेस देख रहे हो, ये सब फुजीफिल्म के पेपर में प्रिंट हुई है। ओके, राइट? और ये जो प्रिंटिंग के इक्विपमेंट्स भी हैं वो भी हमारे खुद के ही इक्विपमेंट्स है, फुजीफिल्म के इक्विपमेंट्स। सो हम वन ऑफ द यूनिक ब्रांड है जिसके पास क्लिक टू प्रिंट का कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन है। हम इसको सबको एक छत के अंदर ले आए हैं ताकि हर काइंड ऑफ कस्टमर आए और वो सब कुछ एक्सपीरियंस कर सके। ये एक बात हो गई कस्टमर की। इसके अलावा हमने ये स्पेस ऐसे बनाया कि हम यहाँ पे वर्कशॉप कर सकें या हम एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम कर सकें, यहाँ पे फ़ोटो वॉक कर सकें। जो इंडस्ट्री के बड़े बड़े लेजेंड्स हैं, चाहे वो वाइल्ड लाइफ में हो या वेडिंग में हो या फोटोग्राफी के किसी भी जॉनरे में हो, स्ट्रीट में हो, ट्रैवल में हो, वो बड़े बड़े एम्बेसडर जो फूजी फिल्म यूज़ करते हैं वो आएँ यहाँ पे अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करें और वो यहाँ पे लोगों को इंस्पायर करें, एजुकेट करें। तो हम काइंड ऑफ फोटोग्राफी सिखाएंगे भी यहाँ पे। यहाँ पे सर्विस का भी सेटअप है कि कस्टमर कैन ड्रॉप देयर कैमरास फॉर सर्विस। यहाँ पे एक स्टूडियो भी है, राइट। यहाँ पे लाइक एग्जीबिशन, इमेजेस की भी एग्जीबिशन लगी हुई है। सो यहाँ पे कस्टमर आएगा तो उसको एक टोटली फोटोग्राफी एग्जीबिशन और एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगा जिससे वो इंस्पायर हो। My name is Arun Babu. I am the Associate Director of Fujifilm and I am handling the imaging division. Today is a very special day for all of us because we are opening our first ever house of photography in India, and this is 11th house of photography in the world, and it is one of the largest in the world. And what is house of photography? Basically, it's a place where people can come, those who are enthusiasts, those who want to learn photography. All kinds of customer, be it Gen Z, be it millennial, be it Gen X. We have products for camera, we have instant camera, we have projectors, we have series of lenses, we have binoculars, and we have printing machines, we have quick snap. So you will see the whole Fujifilm ecosystem under one roof in one go. And definitely we have a series of events which are lined up. We'll have workshops and events throughout the year. And definitely we will keep this updated in our social media platforms and wherever we will keep promoting these workshops and events. And throughout the year, 365 years, it will be a place where people will get inspired, people will learn photography, and people will get motivated towards photography. And it's a place to build a community also.
So today on the photography day, you have chosen Mumbai as your first tour.
Yeah.
What was the in the mindset?
What is the reason of Mumbai, right? So first of all, Mumbai is the commercial capital of India, right? And as a Mumbai city, it's beautiful city with cinema industry here, with beautiful architecture here, and it's a statement to the country also that Mumbai is a place to ideally have the flagship house of photography. So that's why we chose Mumbai. And then reason why we chose Andheri West is, right, Andheri West is a very upcoming market, upbeat market, and a lot of youngsters are here, cinema industry is here, all the production houses are here. That's the reason why we chose this location as well.
Any more questions? Sir, what was like any expansion plan other than Mumbai?
So we have a store in Delhi NCR already, and it is celebrating its 3 years. We are expanding that store a little bit more. Tomorrow is the inauguration for that store also. We are expanding from 1 floor to 3 floors, and but this is our biggest store in the country, and definitely we will look into it. Like India is a huge country, we will look into it that how and where we can go next. But at present, our whole focus is here in Mumbai, and Mumbai is a hub. Every people from whole of the country comes to Mumbai, definitely. So from that perspective, we want to invite all kinds of customers to Mumbai, and definitely we don't deny that we will not open anymore. But at present, we want to focus our energy in Mumbai.
Any special offers, sir, which is going on?
So offers, there are all different categories of offers are running. Festival is about to start, so we will have offers during the festival season and throughout the year. So that keeps happening. मैं ये करेक्ट कर दूँ, ये सर बॉलीवुड नहीं, ये सिनेमा इंडस्ट्री का मार्केट है। एवरी काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्शन हाउस में हर लैंग्वेज की मूवियाँ बनती है, तमिल हो, तेलुगु हो, वो भी यहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन हाउस में शूट की जाती है। सो सिनेमा इंडस्ट्री का हब है ये, और मुंबई यहाँ पे बहुत सारे प्रोडक्शन हाउसेस हैं, बहुत सारे रेंटल हाउसेस हैं, राइट। तो उस हिसाब से अंधेरी वेस्ट लोकेशन है, वेरी अपकमिंग मार्केट है ये अंधेरी वेस्ट। उस हिसाब से हमने ये लोकेशन चूज़ किया। और फूजी फिल्म की बात करें तो फूजी फिल्म 92 ईयर्स ओल्ड ब्रांड है। हम लोग सिनेमा के लेंसेज बनाते हैं, जूम लेंसेज बनाते हैं, जो बहुत ही फेमस है। प्रिमेस्ता सीरीज ऑफ लेंसेज बनाते हैं। हमारे पास अभी नया सिनेमा कैमरा भी लॉन्च हुआ है, इटाना, पिछले साल। which is doing Eterna camera, which is doing very well for us. So हमारे पास सिनेमा के काफ़ी ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो रियली यूजर्स को बहुत बेनिफिशियल होगा।
यहाँ पे
basically large wedding OTT fashion. This is dominated by Sony and Canon or full how you're looking at going forward?
Over the past few years ना that all kinds of genre is expanding, like blogger community होगी, creator community होगी, wildlife होगी। ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक ही kind of photography है, every kind of photography is there। Fujifilm is wedding में भी है, Fujifilm travel में भी है, hobbies में भी है, commercial photography में है। तो हमारे पास series of products हैं to cater to all kinds of customers।
Thank you.
कैमरा एसेसरीज और उसका भी मार्केटिंग भी होगा कुछ यहाँ क्या ओनली ये एग्जीबिशन सेंटर रहेगा?
नहीं मतलब मार्केटिंग के पर से एवरी काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट के लिए हमारे पास एक्टिविटी रहेगी, चाहे वो इंस्नैक्स हो, चाहे वो क्विक स्नैप हो, चाहे वो कैमराज हो, और विद इन कैमराज भी किसी भी टाइप की वर्कशॉप हो, चाहे वो वेडिंग हो, वाइल्ड लाइफ हो, ट्रैवल हो, हॉबी हो, एवरी काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटीज़ यहाँ पे होती रहेंगी विच इज़ अ मार्केटिंग। तो हम करते रहेंगे यहाँ पे भी, हम बाकी जगहों पे भी करते हैं, अलग से भी करते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे भी हम रेगुलर करते रहेंगे।
थैंक यू।
Thank you.
अरे भैया मुंडे न्यूज चैनल आए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए भैया।